guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are at Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument. This is a lava lake right here. There's a lot of bugs, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's get into it. Remember to like and subscribe. Oh wow, this is very steep. And I mean like very steep. This is volcanic sand. Volcanic sand, yes. Is that ice stock? Is that an ice stock tree? If you know what I'm talking about, comment down. Please comment. Oh, that's birch. Burned birch. Okay, I've actually never been here. This is like you're on a beach. There's like black sand, but there's no water. Okay, this is actually... Oh! Oh my god. Alright. So we're actually about half a mile into the trip. We're actually going all the way to the top where the crater is. You gotta be careful over here, there's no handrails. I think that's the crater, I imagine. But that's a lot of rock. If I fall, I'm dead. I'm cooked. Alright. Right. Huh? Okay, that is very cool. I don't know what these are called. I remember seeing it. Yo, this is the no, that's not the end of the trail. I gotta go back. Why does it sound like glass? Like it's like I'm stepping on glass. Yep, this is not the end of the trail. Okay, I'm actually taking a dangerous route here. Whoa. Alright. You can see this. Now I gotta go back. So guys, this is gonna be a whole 10-minute video showing you every single thing. Right now we're gonna be going to the car. And I guess I'll see you guys there, but I'm not gonna stop recording yet. Got one right here. Okay. I should have brought my hiking boots. The hell, at least these are better. Oh my god.
¿Qué tiene?
Yeah?
Vente. ¿Qué tiene miedo a la venta? Sí, porque ¿cuál se supone que es el lago de la que está caminando?
Hay otro más allá abajo. Mañana tenis.
Va, eran tenis. Eran tenis.
Tienen cenizas
¿Sabes
de
qué? Por aquí era que...
cogían.
Espera.
Eran cenizas que cogían.
Ay,
Vente,
ese
Margie.
lentito.
Margie, ven.
So now we're going to the car. Yeah, so we'll see you guys at the actual crater.
Estamos dentro del bolsillo.
So yeah. Okay, this is really hard to go up.
Vente, vamos.
The worst route, I'm slipping. Ugh. I'm slipping, help me. Okay. Alright, we're back. We'll see you guys there.
Y esta montaña negra también.
That's where we were.
Ahí está el cable, pero ahí uno no puede llegar, ¿verdad?
At the crater now. So apparently this is lichen. I feel like this bridge is going to snap and fall. Oh my god, this is really okay. Well, apparently all of this has been burned. That's just a fly. Anyways, Mike, ¿una grande? Okay.
Cuidado, así de casualidad.
Bees. Like always. Oh. Almost got bit by one. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so we're going through a trail that I didn't record. So,
Venga.
I think that's moss. Some lichen and some moss. Okay.
Todo está bueno.
Oy. Oh my god. Alright.
Está bueno. Está bueno.
Mira, aquí hay negrita.
Alright.
Aquí hay piedrita negrita, Ale.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. That was very random and very bad. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. These are like rock stairs, I guess. And I think I just saw a wasp. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna hold on. Okay, these stairs are very sketchy. Okay. Apparently it's welded back together. So this fell. Alright. Okay. Yeah, this is taking so much time. Alright. Let's get up here. Oh no. Okay, let's keep going. So this is a very long trail, I guess. So this is like, is this the crater? Is this the crater or just something random?
Come here.
Okay, time to get down here. Okay. So should I keep going? Should I keep going?
Where I can see you.
Alright. No sledding within Sunset Crater National Volcano Monument. Or whatever it's called. Okay, that's a little bit large. I think that's a log. Okay. Should I go down there? Should I go down there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's hope a rattlesnake doesn't find me.
Get back up.
I think so. I hope so. Okay. I should have brought my hiking boots. Right? I don't think I can go down. It's too slippery. You think I can go down? Alright. No, we're probably gonna go all the way up there, right? Get some more burnt logs. You good? just gonna keep going. Someone made a share. Out in the wilderness. That's a big tree. Look at me. This is just beautiful. Are they seriously over there still? My mom. Let me switch the camera to her. She's so tiny. Mom, say hi. Just wave your hand. How is she so far away? Guys, remember to subscribe to my mom's channel. I'll leave it down in the description. Or you can see it on collaborations. Subscribe to her, like all her videos, give her loving comments. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. There's some fire ants. This is good exercise actually. Alright. Should I go back? Yeah, I should go back. Alright. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, look at them. That's my grandma and grandpa. So, yeah. Oh my god. I almost broke my ankles. Hey, dude. I want to go on top of that mountain. Probably. I might go on top of that mountain. I might not. Oh my god, fire ants. Fire ants. That's them. I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god. So, back in like 1765? All of this was burnt in a volcano. I don't know where a volcano is. I think it's up there. Or that's probably the volcano. We will never know. So. Oh my. It smells burnt, right? Yeah. Alright, subscribe to my mom's channel. Yeah, give her heartwarming comments. And just like to all of her videos, I guess. Hi. Let's just keep moving. Yeah. Come on. Okay, that was very random.
You burned.
No. What the heck is that? Oh.
De araña. ¿Qué es eso? Sí, no, es una cueva. Vamos.
But run.
Parecen de culebra, ¿verdad?
I just threw a bunch of sand in an ant's nest. I'm cooked. Mom, floor is lava. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Oh my god, that just took out all the energy. I want to go up that hill and down.
Ay, me va quemando los pies. De aquí.
Yes.
Ay,
Hey, can I have some water, please? Thank you.
por favor, no se peguen atrás que me asustan. Tienes que meter pacholeta para adentro. Dale. Yo voy a tapar contigo.
Ay.
Esta costita.
Ya ver.
Échese para acá, por favor.
Don't you dare say floor's lava on me in the next 5 seconds. Okay, I imagine there's a lot of snake in there. Oh my. So we're apparently on a road now. I think we took a wrong turn. It's really windy out here. I'm gonna fly away. It's a very dramatic scene. No, we're actually on the road. You know where the crater is, Mom? You don't know where the crater is? Oh. Right over there, probably. Oh. No, like the like the crater. We are tired. 1,000 miles from the car.
Nah.
We're like what, 2 miles? Like a minute? 5?
2,
3? 3 miles?
I don't know.
We're like, I didn't get the coordinates yet. Like, here, take the. Oh. Okay, this is really tiring.
Yeah. At least we have water.
Water that's about to run out in like a couple minutes. I should have brought my water.
¿Para qué me estoy diciendo?
I'm tired, hold me.
Can you take this, please?
I don't know where we are going, like,
To the car?
we're going to the car?
Yeah.
Oh, we're taking a turn over here.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Uh-oh.
Wait, hit me. Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Floor's lava. 3, 2. No, I'm joking. Okay.
Uh-oh.
No, esto es like ceniza, like for real.
Should I just grab sand and just...
Oh my god.
Okay. Grab sand to see if it's gonna carry it.
It's a tree that burn.
That tree is going to fall in like 3 days. Maximum.
Ese tree tiene como 1,000 years. I think so.
1,000 years?
Yeah.
1,000 years.
Yeah.
A tree that giant, that's a spruce tree. Spruces can only grow up to that height. We're on the road again. Help us, please. So I'm going to grab sand. Ah! Ah! Look at this. Oh my god! Ah, what is that? That's like a cheesy Donald. Cedric from Harry Potter, help me! I'm already about to slip. Ah! Ah! Just freaking rocks went into my shoe. Rocks went into my shoe. Oh god. Literally, rocks went into my shoe. This experience of hiking. Why are you pushing me? Ow.
Aquí hay un taxi.
¿Un qué?
Ay, sí. Dame la mano.
Let's climb.
Dale, hay un taxi.
Oh my god, a wasp! I think this is 10 minutes, maybe 11, maybe an hour. Ow! Ay! Chicken waffles. There are literal rocks inside my shoe that are piercing my feet. And it's very uncomfortable. Oh, we finally found the sidewalk. No way, after like 50 minutes of filming. We finally made it.
Experiencia completa, mami.
There are rocks. There are rocks inside of my shoe. I need help. Yo me lo saco en el carro. Yo me saco dos rocas en el carro.
Cacho, iba así, Cristian. Iba.
Oh my god! What are those?
All my socks are streaming dirty. And my shoes,
Wait, the thing, there's something on
they
here.
were beige, like cream, super clean.
Animal just went into your shoe.
Era super clean.
It was like super clean.
And right now, extremely dirty.
So are mine. Like, wait, the real question is, what are those?
Look what's it.
Wait, are mine dirty?
I don't know. Grandma's gonna fall. It's really nothing like this.
she was gonna start sledding in a no sledding zone. Oh. You start talking.
No, Daddy, Grandma gonna fall.
Grandma was gonna fall through the mountain. I was gonna slip.
All the mountains. What is that called?
Sand, rock sand,
No,
volcanic
it's not
sand.
It's like the burn, the lava thingy, this stuff. Ceniza en español. I don't know. What in English.
I'll go for Google Translate and put that in captions.
Ceniza. ¿Cómo se dice ceniza en inglés? Ashes.
Ash.
Like ash. Ashes.
Yeah, it looks like sand, but I think I just touched.
It's rock. It's ash, but it's rock because I don't know. But Grandma gonna fall. He just like
The thing is, where is it?
like through the mountain. I was running like.
Wait, let's see Grandma. Let's take a little video of Grandma. Wait, that's Grandma. That's Grandma. Grandma, you.
Hi, Bradley.
I think Grandma's tired.
You tired, Mama?
I gotta take out the rocks out of my shoes. Hello? Oh my. I gotta sit down for that.
Okay.
Mosquitoes.
Ven, con lava y pon.
Oh my.
Dale.
Tiene que ser rápido, que mira unos mosquitos. Mira qué montón.
Oh my God.
Eso para que no se sienten.
There's sand inside of my shoes.
Y siguen caminando de los pisos. Chacho, llevabas ahí 20 piedras.
Oh my God. Guess I gotta get into the car. I gotta start running. Mom, let's race. Let's race. First one to the car. You super tired? I know you're dirty. We're gonna get a good shower at home.
Yeah.
Great shower.
Super dirty.
Yeah.
With my nails.
I grabbed rock. I mean ashes. I just said,
Oh my God. You want water?
I'm good. I got some at the car. You ready to get home?
Yeah. I need to shower.
Cold shower. That feels good.
De pies a cabeza. Head to toe.
Look, we found the car. The car. We can see the wild mom heading to her natural habitat. That was the end of the video. Like and subscribe before you don't get a muffin. I'll go to your house. So, like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. I'm gonna go home and take a shower. Goodbye. Guys, we're at the crater. If you made it this far and you saw that there was a little bit more to the video, these are the extra clips. Huh? What? Alright. Yeah, I'm not even gonna climb down, so. Let's go. We got a lot of random quartz rocks or something. Let's see if you can see the crater. Hey, I see it. It's going down. Extra clipping. Hello. Let me go up. So, yeah. So, Mom, these are the extra clips, right? Why is your face like that?
I'm taking pictures.
These are extra clips, right?
Yeah.
I didn't have to stop the video right there.
This is
Anyways,
the last stop.
the last stop before we go home.
Please show the craters over there.
I think I did. I did actually. Let me show you the together.
That one.
Yeah, somewhere over there. Oh yeah, I see it actually. Right there. But can't you even see the mirage we're looking at?
Look at you.
It doesn't go anymore. But the mirage we're seeing right now. So